Hello friends, welcome to our channel Let Me Excel. This is the place where we share various tips and tricks about Microsoft Excel or Google Spreadsheet. In the last video, we discussed about alignment, font color or the background color, find and replace, sorting, border and the quick action toolbar or QAT. Today we are going to learn about number formatting. Under number formatting there are many options and I have listed out the main ones here. So they are general, number, currency, short date, long date, time, percentage, fraction and the text. Okay, consider a number 1, 2, 3. So I'll write 1, 2, 3 in all these lines. Okay, so our number is 1, 2, 3 is already formatted as general, as you can see from here. Okay, so no need to format. If it was in some other format, then you can bring back to general by clicking here and selecting general. General means no specific format, and the shortcut to format general is Control plus Shift plus, I'll write down here, Shift plus this tilde key. Okay, so Control Shift, this one, no change because it's already in general. Okay, so if I change it to some other format and press that, let's say for example I change it to percentage. Okay, then if I press Control Shift this one, or if I go, I'll undo it and do through the drop down, I'll choose general. So either you can press Control Shift tilde key or you can choose general from this part. Okay, that was general. So number, let us go to number. If I just below the general you have number. Okay, 123.00. These two decimals are applied. Okay, the shortcut is Control Shift and exclamatory mark. Control plus Shift plus exclamatory mark. Okay, I'll press Control Shift exclamatory mark. Nothing happens because it's already in number format. If I press Control Shift tilde, it becomes general. Now if I press Control Shift exclamatory mark, it becomes number format, and you can see from here it changed to number. So the next one is currency. So for currency I have to go here and click on currency, so it becomes 1, 2, 3, and the shortcut is Control plus Shift plus dollar symbol. Then next is short date. Short date is also available here. You can, all you have to do is choose here. It is 2/5/1900. The shortcut is Control plus Shift plus hash mark or pound symbol. Then let us see the long date. As usual I'll go here. Okay, so it says Wednesday 2nd of May 1900. Serial number 123 is for Excel, it is Wednesday 2nd of May 1900. There is no shortcut of this. The next one is time. As usual we can click here and click on time. It shows this way, and the shortcut is Control plus Shift plus @ of symbol. It is showing 000 here because there is no fraction part here. Say for example if it was 123.33, then it is 7:55 AM. If there is no decimal part, it shows as all 0. Okay, I'll undo it. Percentage also you can change from here. Format can be changed from here. Select percentage. Okay, so when you calculate percentage manually, what we do is, if someone scores 60 out of 80, so what is the percentage? So we do 60 divided by 80 into 100. In Excel it is not needed like that. All you have to do is 60 divided by 80. It comes in this format and format as percentage, 75%. And the shortcut is Control plus Shift plus percentage. However, there is a subtle difference between this shortcut and this method. If you do through shortcut, no decimals are shown. If you do with this method, 2 decimals are shown. Okay, that is the difference. If I do this with shortcut method, this 0.00, the decimals will be gone. Let me show you. So 12300. Fraction, it's a whole number, so it's not showing anything. Let's write 5.65, 2/3. 5.5 is 5, 1/2. So this is how it works. There is no shortcut. And text. So for text, it is a bit different from whatever we discussed all this while. So for text we need to go to data, text to columns. So let it be delimited. Next, uncheck this one. Next, and select text here. So whatever you can do for multiple cells also. and as soon as I did that, you see one green triangle on the top left corner of this cell. So it indicates that this number is converted to text now. This number is stored as text. So it is showing me that number is stored as text. That means it is showing the property of text. So this way you can format any number to any format. I hope you liked it. So I applied the format, but I want to remove the formats now. So how can I do that? If that is the question in your mind, then you can go to home. On the right hand side you have something called clear here. Under the drop down you get 4 to 5 options, where if you click clear all, what happens is everything goes, okay, even the format goes off. So that is about removing the format or clearing the format. So I'll quickly undo it, Control plus Z or Z. So if I want to clear the values but you want to retain the format, you have to click clear contents, and it is as good as pressing your delete button of keyboard. I'll undo it. You can clear all, that means it will remove everything including the format. It clears the format also, if clears the content also, it clears the comments also, it clears the hyperlinks also. Everything will be removed by clear all. Okay, let us see how we can remove this comment. So before that, let us insert a comment. So to insert a comment, I have to right click and insert comment. On the top right you see a red triangle there, and it shows my name here. So now I can say this is a comment. The shortcut to insert a comment is Shift plus F2. So if I need to remove this comment now, I can right click and the delete comment, or from this option you can, so now comment is gone. This is how we can, with the help of these options, we can remove the format of the range. I hope you liked the video and learned something interesting. If you found something interesting, or if you found something new which you had not known earlier, please comment and say that, yeah, this tip or this trick I had never seen before, or I had never used before, or I have never known before. Please comment it out. So as usual, please consider sharing the videos with your friends, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe it so that it motivates us to produce more useful content. We will see you in next video. Thank you for watching.